So welcome to the video tutorials of Fusion 360. In this video we are going to talk about this accessibility analysis. So what accessibility analysis? Accessibility analysis means the area which you can see with your eyes after selecting a plan which will be colored as a green color, and the area which you could not see with your eyes which will return to the red color. For example, I need to create a sketch like this. I'll create some more rectangles like this, and I need one circle like here, just to show you only. By using this extrude feature, I'm going to select all these area and extrude them out. Now to use this feature, you have to go to the inspect and use accessibility analysis. I need to use this accessibility analysis by selecting all of these bodies. Select all of these bodies and through which direction I want to see all of these components. So from this direction I want to see all of this. You can also select the planes right here. You can select the plane, or also you can select the poly planes also. For example, I select this. If I go to the right plane, I will see everything will be green, which is visible, and everything which is not visible, which is turned to the red color. For example, if you said that this is not visible and why it is turned to the green, so I'm saying that this is visible, but with only the edges. This edge goes this till here with the constant height and constant surfaces, so it means that we can see it from here also. So that's why this surface, and this cylindrical surface turns to the green color, and these surfaces are not visible, so that's why it turns to the red color. And we can go to the bottom and see that this surface also turns to the green, because edges are going constant height with the same distance equal, and that's why it create the different colors for the both. So this is how we can use to use this accessibility analysis. So hope you like this video. We can also turn the situation up and down. For example, if I select this plane, and I want to look into this direction, so for that I select OK by clicking this. By clicking this, I'm going to select all these bodies. By selecting this plane, by selecting this, everything will be different like this. Go to this, everything will be green. Why this is not green? Because it doesn't select when we select this. It didn't select when we select this. So now go to this tree here, and we can delete this from here also. This both the analysis. Now we can go to the new analysis, select all of these component as body, select this area. So if you want to from the front side, you can select a plane which is passing through the front to you, and which is passing opposite to you, opposite to your view. Click here and click OK. If you look through the back portion of this, you will see everything will be green, which is visible, and everything will be red, which is not visible. And for example, if I going to edit this from the both side, from here it will be green, but we cannot see the center portion of these both bodies, so this will return to the red color. So for example, click OK. You can see this from the back side, and you can also look from the front side. Everything will be green, which is visible, and everything will be red, which is not visible. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like these videos of my Fusion 360 channel. Make sure you subscribe my channel, comment in the comment box if you have any doubt regarding this software, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching.